All right, welcome back to another room tour with Wes and Therese. Today we're staying at the All-Star Movies in the building 4, which is Dalmatian, in room 4962. Now this is a third floor room. You can see it's a preferred room. If you look right over there, you can see the pool. And so anyway, we're going to go ahead and get you into the room and take a look around. When we open the door, immediately we see that there's only one permanent bed. The other one here is a Murphy bed. We'll get to that in a second. You have the nice big screen TV. You have your window where you can see out. No balcony on these other than just the balcony that you walk on. And one of the things I'm most impressed with as we get and take a look around this room is the number of outlets that they have, a number of charging ports. So if you look right here next to the room or next to the door, you'll see right there are 2 outlets and 2 USB ports. Right underneath it there's a cubby hole. And back on the other side of the room, when you walk in, you'll notice at the bottom we have a refrigerator that's empty. You have a coffee maker as well, so it'll make you individual cups of coffee. You got your ice pot there. And if you open up this drawer, I know it looks kind of plain, just the coffee maker, but you'll see you have pretty much everything you need in terms of coffee. You have your cups, your stirring straws, a couple different flavors of coffee, and even some Twinings tea and sweet and low in there as well, if that's more your cup of tea, so to speak. Getting on to the Murphy bed. We're going to pull these chairs out. Therese and I won't use the Murphy bed because we just prefer to have the table out with the chairs where we can set things out. But you can pull these chairs out, really simple. Okay, we'll set them off to the side, and you'll notice with one hand, pretty easily, we can pull that down, and that quick and that easy, it becomes a second queen size bed, and it'll comfortably sleep 2 people on each bed. So as easily as it went down, it'll go back up. You'll see it has Huey, Dewey, and Louie there, the artwork behind it. The kids, I'm sure, really like that. But we're going to take, and again with one hand, nice and easy, lift it up. And so I really like these Murphy beds and all the rooms that we've stayed in that have been renovated in them. They're so much easier than just than having to pull out the old hide-to-bed couches and things like that. Put these chairs back, get them out of the way. You'll notice, as I put the chairs up, you look under the bed and you have your storage there, so you can slide all your luggage. That's always a nice kind of new feature that they have in these renovated rooms. Have your recycle bin, trash can, and then of course you have your chest of drawers. 3 drawers here. Not going to open the third one, but it's there. And if you open up the cabinet on the left, you'll see you have your safe, an extra pillow down there. And so anyway, close that up. You see they don't short you pillows, so all of that is just on one bed. I guess they put enough out there for the second bed, should you have more than 2 in your room, or you're going to sleep on your own bed, or whatever the case may be. As we look to the left side of the bed, you'll notice very easy access. You have your light switches there, telephone, 2 more outlets and 2 more USB ports, place to kind of store those things if you have cables, set them down there. And then it's the same thing on the other side of the bed as well, with 2 more outlets and 2 more USB ports. They are the standard USB ports. They don't have any of the USB-C, and that's kind of the only maybe knock on those, is I'd like to see that, but you know, it's still better than just having outlets and having to bring all those boxes with you as well. Also, you'll see the light switch there, cuts off those lights above the headboard. As we move into the bathroom, hello everybody, you'll see, you look on the left, you have your closet, kind of a small closet space there. On the side of it, your ironing board's hanging, have your dryer, have your iron there, extra toilet tissue, face tissue, whatever you need. Plenty of storage down there. Underneath, cabinets, you see very nice lighted mirror, as well as a makeup mirror there as well. And then as we walk into the bathroom, you'll see they do have the sliding glass doors for the shower, the waterfall style shower head, updated shower, and then of course the H2O pumps for your H2O products if you like those. You have towels here as well. And if you need privacy, of course they have the door that will shut and provide you with a full-length mirror. One of the other things I like about these rooms, outside of what they renovated them, outside of just the updated look, is they're replacing the curtain that they used to have here with the barn style closed door. So if you need, like I said, additional privacy, you can block off the sink area from the shower, and then also you can block off that area from the rest of the room. Many of these rooms are adjoining. This is a door here adjoining the room next to us. If you have a family maybe bigger than 4, that could be a good option for you as opposed to a family suite. And then this is a nice large big screen TV, and don't forget, of course, you have 2 more on that side, 2 more on that side there. Outlets and charging ports, that is. So I think that about takes care of it. Like I said, I really like these updated rooms. The All-Stars, I don't think that they have done at this time the All-Star Sports, but I do believe the music and here at the movies, these have been updated. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. Have a great day.